everyone. Do you want to prepare for civil services? Are you looking for hostel and free coaching? Then this video is for you and this news is for you. A central university, Jamia Millia Islamia, which is accredited with NAC A grade, has invited applications from the eligible candidates. So if you visit the official website of the Jamia Islamia University, if you scroll down, you will get like admissions. So here if you click, you will get this interface. So this is here we have the two things. One is for the registration and the second thing getting the official website. First and foremost, we'll go to the notification, then we'll come back and look at the registration process. So dear students, so this is the official notification by the Jamia Millia Islamia regarding civil services free coaching. So RCA, Residential Coaching Academy, this is one of the center for the coaching and career planning of the university, invited applications for free coaching which is providing hostel facility for civil services. And here we need to remember this is for the 2022 exam, and this coaching is exclusively for minorities, SCs, STs and women. Dear viewers, if you look at the schedule for the Civil Services 2022 coaching program, now the online applications which was already begun since 10th August 2021. So they have also given the website. I also provided this website in the description. Now the website is www.jmicoe.in. Now the last date for the submission of the application form is 6th September, Monday. After the submitting your application form, the written test would be on 18th September, which is conducted on the topics like general studies and in the mode of the objective type. Now the exam would be from 3 hours from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So the results of the written test would be announced on the 30th September 2021, Thursday of 5 p.m. After this they will call for the interviews. They have also given the dates for the interview, which are the tentative dates. So interview dates are from 11th to 22 October. After conducting the interview, they will announce the final results. This is also they have mentioned tentative on the 29th October 2021, Friday at 5 p.m. So after this, the selected candidates, they have to complete the admission process. So for this they have given the last date for completion of the admission would be 8th November 2021. After this, the registration for the waiting list candidates, they may get the chance on the this would be announced or declared on the 11th November 2021. So admission for the waiting list candidates would be on 12th November 2021. Finally, the classes orientation begin from 16th November 2021. Thereafter, regular classes would be continued. So dear viewers, the RCA has also given some important instructions to the applicants. If you look at that, the entrance test will be held at 10 centers in our country, across the country. So they are Delhi, Jammu, Srinagar, Lucknow, Guwahati, Malappuram in Kerala, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Patna. So the written test would be comprised both general studies, which is in objective type, and UPSC model. So in 3 languages, this would be conducted in 3 languages like English, Hindi and Urdu. Then they also conduct essay writing in 3 languages to test the candidate's knowledge of the general awareness, logical thinking, reasoning and comprehension. So the total duration of the examination would be 3 hours. So 1 hour for the general studies exam, 2 hours for the essay writing. There would be negative marking. This is very important. So objective type of the questions, but negative marking is there. So 1/3 of the marks will be deducted for the one wrong answer. Now the entrance test paper would be divided into paper 1 and paper 2. So paper 1 consists of the OMR which is objective type questions, 60 questions, then each question carries 1 mark. The second paper would be consist of essay writing, which allowed would be 60 marks, and the candidates would require to write 2 essays. So each question carries 30 marks. So this is the way for filtering the candidates and selecting the candidates they use it. So however, the OMR sheet will be collected after 1 hour, and students are allowed to carry the question paper. Now another important instruction is the essay of the only top 1500 students will be evaluated based on the MCQ test marks. So if you pass in MCQ test mark, then your essays would be evaluated. Otherwise, so if you are failing paper 1, so paper 2, your essays are not evaluated. The total marks for the interview so would be 30. So there is another important instruction, that is, so any candidate who have already availed the facility of the RCA, JMA for the last 3 years, so they have never appeared for the civil services. They were not allowed to appear the entrance test. And only those candidates who have already completed their graduation. This is a minimum eligibility for applying civil services 2022. And coaching will include the features, the facilities. So classes on the general studies, CSAT, and selected optional papers. So which is also provides the test series, answers evaluation, and essay writing practice. So these are all the part of the curriculum. And then the academy will also conduct mock interviews for so this is a way of preparing the students for the upcoming civil services. So test series prelims will be held from January 2022 to April 22. Then the test series on mains so will be held during the between June to September 2022. So looking at the facilities provided to the students, so air conditioned library facility is provided 24/7, and even sport complex also can be used. So the one important thing is the total fresh seats are 150 seats are available, so with the hostel accommodations. So students shall abide the hostel rules and the regulations. Then the application form will be filled online. Then for the application fee you need to pay is 750 rupees. So this is for all in place, applicable basic charges also. For any queries, discussion, you can also contact the office. They have mentioned the number 26981717. So the date of entrance test may change due to the COVID pandemic situation. So they keep updating us in the website. We also update you through the channel. So for this you need to subscribe our channel so that you will get the updates on the Jamia free coaching center for civil services. So this is a great and rare opportunity. So dear students, don't miss it. So apply and prepare well. So you may get the opportunity to crack the civil services, and you will get an opportunity to serve lakhs of the people. All the best.